This delicious Keto Frosty is definitely a family favorite. Our kids love it. You're going to start with heavy whipping cream and then add in your keto-friendly sweetener. We love to use a powdered sweetener if we're not going to bake the recipe. Then add in your cacao powder, your vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Then get your beaters. You're going to whip it all together until you get soft peaks. From there, we're going to put it into a Ziploc bag and we're going to freeze it for an hour. You can cut the tip off it. It kind of makes your own piping bag. You can squeeze your Frosty into a bowl and eat it with a spoon. It's absolutely delicious. You're going to love this recipe.
Learn how more than 117,000 people have lost as much as 21 pounds in 28 days with this keto strategy. Link in description.